Yo, welcome back to Mystery Bar Kitchen. Today we got some good old baked chicken. I'm talking about super juicy, super tender, super flavorful, seasoned down to the bone. You ain't never had baked chicken like this. Let's get into it. Alright, go ahead and pause this video, screenshot these ingredients, preheat your oven to 365 degrees Fahrenheit, and let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so first thing first, wash and clean your chicken, then pat it dry, and then put it in a bowl, and let's go ahead and do this marinade. Alright, so we're going to do some coconut oil, and then we're going to do some seasoning blend. So the seasoning blend consists of Cajun seasoning, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of complete seasoning, some black pepper, and just a little bit of salt. That's pretty much the basis of it. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to go ahead and mix up your chicken. You want to make sure that you get all the seasoning on every part of the chicken. Mix it up real good, and then pull the skin back, and then make sure that you put some of the seasonings up under the skin. But we want this season all the way down to the bone, under the skin and everything, you know what I'm saying? And then, if you want to, go ahead and add a little bit more seasoning to it. And because we didn't use a whole lot of salt, you can do that, so it's going to be fine. Go ahead and put it in the refrigerator and let it marinate for as long as you can. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and bake this chicken. Okay, next, go ahead and grab yourself a cast iron skillet, a baking pan, or a sheet tray, whatever you have available. Spray it down with some type of oil, Pam spray, olive oil, coconut oil, whatever you have available. And then place your chicken in. So I only made 8 pieces of chicken thighs. If you made more than this and you got a cast iron skillet the same size as this, you may want to do 8 and then use a different pan to put the rest of the chicken in there. Alright, now this is optional. Go ahead and grab some of that seasoning blend and just put a little bit more on top. You know, the seasoning that we use, it has a little bit of color to it, so it's going to kind of give us a nice pop of color on top of this chicken. So once we bake it, then we broil it and all that good stuff, it's going to have a nice pop of color. So go ahead and add just a little bit more, it's not going to hurt. Alright, next go ahead and grab yourself some aluminum foil. Go ahead and use, for this size cast iron skillet, I use 2 sheets of it. So go ahead and use 2 sheets and then cover it up nice and tight. Make sure that's nice and tight and sealed properly. And then once you do that, we're going to go ahead and put it in the oven at 365 degrees. And we're going to cook this for maybe 45 minutes, then check it. And if everything is all good, we're going to take the foil off. Then we're going to put it back in the oven and put it on broil until it gets nice and golden brown. But make sure you watch it though, because you don't want this to burn, okay? Alright, after 45 minutes, let's go ahead and check this out. So boom, this is what it looked like. As you can see, the color looks good, the chicken looks good already, but it's not quite done yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to baste the chicken, and we're going to use the juices and the fat from the chicken to baste it to make sure that it stays nice and moist. The skin is nice and moist, so we can go ahead and get that nice color we want. You know what I'm saying? We want this chicken nice and juicy and colorful and tender at the same time. So you want to bake this for another 15 to 20 minutes, or put it on broil and let it bake for a little bit, and make sure that the chicken reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, and once you take it out of the oven, it should look like this. And if it does, you're all set. Let it rest for a little bit so some of the juices can absorb back into the chicken so it can be nice and juicy. And then get ready to plate up. Alright, boom. Let me know in the comment section how you make your baked chicken. Do you do it the same way I do? Do you cook it on a higher temperature than I do? Do you prefer to use a pan or a cast iron skillet? Also, let me know what sides you like to use. You see, I got some yellow rice and I got some collard greens from that last collard green video that I did. Go ahead and check out my YouTube channel and look at that video, the collard green video before this one, and you'll see how I made these collard greens. But trust me, these collard greens was busting. And as always, go ahead and click subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Share it as well. And what that's going to do is it's going to send out a good signal to the algorithm that this video is a good one. Alright, and that supports the channel. Look, as you know me, gotta have that crystal hot sauce. You know what I'm saying? Fight me in the comment section if you got something better than that. But take a look at this chicken. Look at that color. It's beautiful all the way around. The skin nice and crispy. The chicken is nice and juicy, flavorful, and seasoned down to the bone. You can tell by just looking at it. Look how tender this is. Whew, tenderism. Again though, subscribe, like, and comment, and we'll see you in the next one. And if it ain't good, throw the whole plate away.